The Acterys Matrix and Comment custom visuals are included in every Acterys subscription or can be licensed standalone. They offer comprehensive features for matrix display and data entry, as well as commenting in conjunction with Acterys. The standalone version only offers reporting functionality. The matrix is not restricted by the usual 3,500 data point limit. It can handle 100,000 cells. The matrix offers outbound filtering, so a click on a cell will automatically update all related visuals. For example, in this case, displaying salespeople for this particular context and the sales territories. Another key feature is the selective drill down. As we can see here, if we drill down on an aggregate level, the matrix will only drill down on that particular level as opposed to expanding the entire area, as is the case in the default matrix in Power BI. So the Acterys visual offers selective drill down in the matrix and will only expand a particular level. What it offers as well is data entry, so I can go here and enter 30,000 on this particular product detail, and as we can see, the total was automatically adjusted. If I want to, I can also enter data on an aggregate level, what we call stashing. So if I'm not happy with the result at the moment, I can change it to a new total, and it will automatically change the details for the children underneath. What is also possible is to enter relative changes. So I can, with the parameter I, the prefix I can enter, for example, 10%, and will increase the value by 10%. Again, that will work on any level of the matrix. The other visual is the comment visual. That allows me to enter unstructured data with extensive formatting options. So I can click on a particular cell that is driven by the filters on the report and see the existing text, which is in this case text and a link. And I can just enter my additional text now with a variety of formatting options like text size and color coding. This information will then be stored all in the Acterys database. The configuration of the visual is fairly straightforward. Just go into the fields area and select the fields that you want to display in rows, columns, and filter. By just dragging and dropping the elements that you want to use. And in the formatting section, you have a variety of formatting options. So any area of the matrix can be configured and formatting can be set, in addition to a variety of other options how you want the matrix to display. This varies from normal formatting options like formatting of the cell area, of alternate column colors, of the header for different levels, to more advanced elements like if you want to display the field names, if you want to show the matrix in a tab layout, which means it will all be shown in one column when you drill down as opposed to expanding the levels. And you can also set other options, like for example for the header elements, you can specify if you want to show them, what labels you want to use for them, if you want to use grand totals, and also just general title options and formatting. So this concludes a quick overview of the Acterys Matrix and Comments visual. As usual, please, for any further questions, go to acterys.com and talk to our friendly chat team.